How to fix CapCut project not uploading or not loading. To fix CapCut project that won't load, what you need is, first thing first, you want to close all the background running app on your device, after which hold on to your side button and restart the device at the same time as well. Now that you've done this, open the CapCut app and you tap onto new project and go ahead and add in the project that you were not able to upload. Now you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap add. Now if you're not able to add it still, you could just tap this crop button. You could go ahead and tap on it and you could just go ahead and crop it out, and this way as well you should be able to fix. Sometimes if your video is quite lengthy, then you will be able to face such issue, so you might want to do that or crop this or maybe split in half. That should also be able to help you out. Now, despite doing that, still you're having issues, you then need to go to settings on your device, and then you want to go to apps and make sure that the CapCut is cleared, and you just want to make sure to clear cache. If that's also not the case, you want to go to your respective app store and make sure to update the CapCut app to the latest version. At the same time, restart the device, and that should definitely help you out. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.